What's up, guys? John, Ryan, Jim, Maniacs Garage. Check out what we got going on over there. You probably can't see it. Hot Wheels Legends Phoenix. We're gonna go and enter this thing and see how she does. There's some fierce competition here though, so we'll see. Hope you guys enjoy this episode. Let's get going. Hey, what's up, guys? John here with Maniacs Garage. Ryan's over here, Jim's over here, Connor's behind the camera. We're out in Gilbert, Arizona at Hot Wheels Legends Tour, invite only. We got the 49 Ford body swap BMW right here. And as we were pulling in, we were supposed to kind of follow the crowd. And one of the organizers just pointed at me and grabbed me and said, park right here. Check out what we're next to right here. We're right next to the booth, the DJ booth. So, pretty sweet spot. Looks like we have some of the famous Hot Wheels vehicles right there that are on display, and we're like in the same kind of area. So, super stoked. You know, the competition is crazy. There's some really, really insane cars here. But we're still hopeful that this thing is gonna get somewhere. And maybe, just maybe, we will have a Hot Wheels made of it. So we're really excited. We're just having fun being here. And we're gonna try to do some interviews with some of the other guys, with some of these other cars that are just so incredible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Let's get rolling.
5 years, and this is definitely one of the biggest in live person shows that I've seen. So many cool cars. It's just creativity, authenticity, garage spirit. You know, we got to take into consideration many factors with that and more. You know, cars that have been Hot Wheels in the past, as well as other finalists in, you know, this year's, and as well as previous things. So without further ado, and again, this was not an easy decision. I mean, 99.9% of the cars here should be Hot Wheels, should be winning. We'd love to make them, but we have the difficult task of picking one. Here it goes. Hope you like it. Hope you agree with us. Mitch Ellsbury in that radio flyer wagon right up front here. Come on up here, Mitch.
Well, guys, what'd you guys think of today?
It was good.
It was good.
Excellent turnout. Yeah.
It was good and hot.
Very hot.
Very hot.
So I don't know, 200 cars probably?
At least.
At least 200 cars out here.
Thousands of people coming through.
Yeah, there really were.
Walmart parking lot, so everybody come to get groceries, and all of a sudden you get coming through.
Yeah.
We had an awesome spot
It's good.
right in front of the DJ booth.
Yeah,
in
we
front
had
of
really
Walmart.
good spot. We're first car right by the DJ booth. That was super cool. That's where they did the announcements at the end and all that, the award ceremony. And I think obviously Hot Wheels has a thing going on with Walmart. That's why they did it in the Walmart parking lot here. Really nice Walmart, by the way. So really nice. So
If you're in the Gilbert
If you're in the
area
Gilbert
and you like to go to Walmart, I mean, if you do that
sponsored
sort of
by
thing,
Walmart. So we had a really good time. It was really cool. I think we were pretty serious contenders. They said that it was down to like 3 cars at the end, and they had to make a decision. And you know, we supported the decision they made. They ended up picking a radio flyer wagon that was hand built. It's like a full-size car size radio flyer wagon. Super cool. So hey, we lost to that. It's all right. You know, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna have fun. We had a really good time. So
yeah, it was an
so
excellent
it was super
time.
cool. We
Met
did
a
some interviews with some cool people.
A lot of cool people.
Right.
The rat rod scene was strong here.
It was.
I mean,
Really
there
good.
were some incredible builds that I wish we would have lost to like a different car, one of the rat rods.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah,
there was some potential.
Yeah, you guys check out the other videos that we're gonna put out. We did shoot a couple interviews here with some guys, so check those out. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe and thumbs up the video if you guys like what we're putting out. And we're gonna get out of here now. Let's go, because it's really hot.